Today on Unpacked, we are gonna brush up on some packaging. So today on Unpacked, we're gonna check out this new premium smart toothbrush packaging by Colgate. And the brand is called hummm. So this is a product that is living both in e-commerce and retail, and how brands are tackling that is different. So this is one that we've seen it pop up in the stores. We wanted to see how it was coming across via e-commerce and kind of compare. So here, this is what you get if you buy it. This has got your just a craft packaging, some really simple, nice premium, print on it. It looks real classy. And then they've got their own branded adhesive tape here, which is always kind of a cool touch and really something that is not very expensive and an easy way to kind of own your product through e-commerce channels. So anyways, let's open it up and take a look at what's on the inside, shall we? Here we have a full print inside. Sounds like good things are coming your way. And what they've done is they have taken this, which we have seen on the shelves is their retail packaging, and put it into just a large printed insert. I don't know what this is for. It's for dropping. I don't know what that's for. If this box is used for something else, like other kits or something, why they would have that insert and not right size this. But likely there's some reason that was in there. So let's set that aside. That's just the e-commerce shipper for this. And this is the retail pack. I pre-opened this so I don't struggle. This is the retail pack that they have, and thought this was a pretty slick pack, and there's some cool things in here worth noting and calling out. The first of which is this paper hang tag, and this is like a pulp hang tag that's formed, so it's not super thin and lightweight. This thing's pretty robust, and that's allowing them to hang this thing and keep this thing all paper-based. This really premium fitted oval tube. It's very nice. Very nice. And then this is a nice touch that they brought over from that. This hum. As you open the pack, you got the hums, which is just a cool little experiential thing. And you see what this little hang tag here is part of. And that's actually part of this whole paper pulp internal assembly. And it is all wrapped in a adhesive strip. It's nice. So they've got that connected to this. Hi there, how are ya? Hi, let's get to know each other. And it's just got some information that they need. But this is like a toothbrush that connects to an app for smart toothbrushing. But let's look at this pulp insert here. This almost feels like a bagasse or like a sugar cane pulp. It just has a little bit different feel. Not 100% sure what this is made out of. Maybe we'll have to dig into that and put something in the comments below. Overall super minimal. These like fit inserts here that hold it, protect it, do well inside of this, ultimately inside of that. Why wouldn't they just have shipped this? A couple of reasons. One, because then they create right out of the factory, they create one standard component that works for all the different marketplaces. They don't have to have a separate configuration that ships e-commerce and a separate configuration that ships retail. That's managing inventories. And two, they worked really hard to create this experience It's a little extra packaging, but they've worked really hard to create this premium experience with this thing, and they don't want to lose that going into just some minimized e-commerce option. I think there's maybe some stuff that they could have done, but again, a brand, whenever they're really working through this whole like e-commerce and retail thing, they are tasked with that tension of holding inventory for two separate items, you know, managing importing two separate items, all that stuff. If they can stick to one base item and then just do what we call kind of late stage, like, you know, adding an overbox at the end or doing some special just modification to it, it allows them to simplify their supply chain pretty significantly. So I don't want to beat them up too hard. I get why they made the decision. It's not an easy decision to make. I think overall, it's some nice premium packaging. They've made a lot of really intentional decisions. Is it big? Yeah, a little bit. Is it nice? Yeah, it's nice. They've done a really nice job with it. All right, that's all for now. If there's anything you want us to review, leave it in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching Unpacked.